Good morning. We have just woken up from a night after Mickey's Not So Scared Halloween party. We got back to the hotel just about 1 AM and I think we got to bed about 1:30. It's just gone 8 AM, so we haven't had that much sleep. We both woke up before 7 and I was lucky enough to get a virtual queue for Cosmic Rewind and Guardians of the Galaxy. I got boarding group 10. So Epcot opens at 8:30 for resort guests and 9 for non-resort guests. We are resort guests. It's just gone 8 o'clock. We're going to get the bus very soon. I don't think the actual virtual queue starts on 9, but we'll take you along with us. And I think today it's very wet. I think it's meant to rain all day and into tomorrow. Hurricane Milton is on the way and Epcot closes at 2 PM today. See you at Epcot.
This is Station First Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please go straight in front so you can put your time travel tool.
Communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. Comparison in turn creates better records of things, plans, designs, and unfortunately facts. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with one another, have a special. They create a simple common alphabet adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? The first worldwide web and taking us into the future. In 1850, Gutenberg invents the modern type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. By now, we're communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
Attention travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for
Aerospace. I don't know. The journey. Go for it. The country. Apart from Disney World. Money guy. Solar. I don't know.
Well done. Now along with our answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Should I say, your future? Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're on. You don't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. Leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, total network family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world into the future.
we've just done Spaceship Earth. My boarding group for Guardians of the Galaxy has just been called about 20 minutes ago, so I'm just about there. This is probably my most favourite ride at Disney World, and it's still in a virtual queue. I'm not sure when it'll go to a sort of standby line, but here we go. I don't know what song I'll get. I want to get September, but we'll just wait and see. We've seen Peter Krill there. He's seeing guests just now. Not a big queue at all. I know it's a virtual queue, but we're almost just cutting off all these lines here.
Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and of course, hear the veggie fruit food. I mean, it's the best.
Well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. Travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. Culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent.
Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we figure that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
I'm not big at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean it's already?
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, dude. You know according to follow that whatever it is until
Terrence, how to evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I've broken the shuttles to follow through the jump point. What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What? There's cake. Where's this cake? The odds are impossible.
Yep.
But it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making us so hungry.
Terrence, listen up.
What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
The big
That's Guardians done. It's always a good way to start the morning. I got One Way or the Other. I don't think I've ever had that song on the ride before, but no, it was really good. Love it so much. It's really good. Off around World Showcase, and we are going to go on Ratatouille. Just stopped off at the UK Pavilion. Yeah, Ratatouille is a 15-minute wait. Very quiet today, as expected. A lot of people haven't ventured out because of the upcoming Hurricane Milton. We're only going to be here for a few more hours, with the park closing at 2, but we'll be gone before then, I think. But yeah, next stop is Ratatouille. Never done this one before. Done the one in France before, but never the one here.
Les invités pour le dîner.
Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Les couilles en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way.
Very warm, nice.
Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous êtes toujours les bienvenus, chérie. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Got 2 croque majeurs. We just had a macaron and then we had a croque majeur from the France Pavilion. We're headed now to Morocco. We're going to just carry on around World Showcase. The wind's picking up a little bit now. World Showcase is quite quiet, which is obviously the reason why it's not picking. But we'll be spending much more time here. Maybe it's another hour or so. Then we'll be back on the way home to the resort. So we've just gone past the American Pavilion. We haven't gone as far as this on this trip so far, but we're now going to head towards Germany, Italy, and then we're going to make our way right the way around to Norway and Mexico too. Strap down later maybe? Oh, they are strapped down. Oh yeah. Away into Caramel Kush now. They do have some really good popcorn here and lots of Werther's original treats too. Always love the colours of this Chinese pavilion here. Beautiful. Lost count of how many times I've taken my poncho on and poncho off. We're now in the China Pavilion. It's in one of the Chinese stores. It's absolutely dead in here. No one going about really. Talking trash can. Made it to Connections Eatery. I think we're going to order some pizza and some fries and have that for lunch. Leaving the Epcot now. It's just gone 12:30. The park closes at 2 PM because of Hurricane Milton on the way. We've had a really good morning, nice and quiet. But yeah, need to get back to the resort so we're safe. So that's us just back at the hotel just now. It's just about 1 o'clock. The parks are closing at 2. Well, Epcot and Magic Kingdom was, and then Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom have just closed. We're going to just chill out in the resort now, probably catch up on some sleep. We had a successful morning this morning in Epcot, doing Spaceship Earth, Guardians of the Galaxy, we did Ratatouille, we went right around the World Showcase, and we had some lunch at the Creations restaurant as well. But yeah, going to wrap up the video now, and we'll see you later on. Bye!